Hey guys, today I'll be teaching you how to delete your Tinder account. This tutorial is very easy and it takes about 3 steps, so please watch fully. The first thing to do is to open your Tinder account. It'll show you your feed, and once you're here, tap on your profile icon. This will take you to your profile. Now, tap on the settings gear icon and scroll down. Find delete account and of course, click on it. Here, you can choose the specific reason or you can just skip it. Now, just tap on delete my account and there you go. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.